How to swap crypto in Bitget Wallet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can swap Bitcoin or crypto in Bitget Wallet. So let's get started. First step, open up Bitget Wallet. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, you can now head over to the trade option on the bottom. Now here on the trade option, make sure that you're on the swap section. After you're here, all you have to do is select which tokens or which token you want to change into. So let's say that I want to change my USDT to Ethereum or my Ethereum to USDT. You select that way. Now, after you've done that, you can now select everything here. So just type in the amount that you want to swap, and after you've done that, you can then tap on trade option to trade your crypto. And that's how easy it is, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.